Well, in this short tutorial, I will show you how to change opacity in CapCut in PC. So first you need to go to the media section, and here you need to select any video. For example, I'm selecting this one and put on the timeline. After that, you need to select the video, and you will see that on the right side there is a video section, and on in the basic you need to go down and you need to click on the blend. Here you will see that blend, and I'm selecting this. You will see there is a mode section. Here you can with this slider you can opacity increase or decrease to make your video more bright or less bright. And in the mode section you will see that there is a brighten section. You can click on that, and here you can adjust according to your requirement. And again, if you click on the screen, and you can also adjust with through the slider. After that, you can also select the darken, and your video is almost dark. So in this way you can easily set the opacity in CapCut in PC. If you think this video is supportive, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.